In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack Notes. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Substack offers a great platform for sharing your thoughts with a wider audience. Today, we're going to focus specifically on using Substack Notes, a feature that allows you to post shorter, spontaneous updates, similar to tweets or short blog entries. This is particularly useful when you have something quick to share, but don't need to write a full article. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll need to get you logged into your Substack account. Go ahead and navigate to the Substack website and enter your login credentials. If you've used Substack before, this will be quick and straightforward. For newcomers, setting up your account is simple, and you'll be guided through the necessary steps. It's a good idea to have your account ready to go so you can fully engage with this tool once you see what it can do for you. Once you're logged in and on your homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the option labeled Create New. This is where the magic starts. Clicking on that will reveal a drop-down menu. From the options there, select New Note. The terminology here is key. Note, rather than post, suggests a more informal and brief format. This is where Substack lets you express yourself more freely, without the pressure of crafting a full article. Now that you've chosen to create a new note, it's time to fill it with your content. This is your canvas, and you can choose to write a message, add an image, or even paste a link. The style is entirely up to you. Perhaps you want to share some breaking news or a quick opinion on a topic that's relevant to your audience. Or maybe you have a thought-provoking image that you want to accompany with a brief caption. It's your space to be creative, so take advantage of the flexibility this format provides. Remember, the goal here is to engage and connect, so make it personal and authentic. Finally, once you're satisfied with your note, it's time to share it with the world. All you have to do is tap the Post button to publish your note on Substack. It's as simple as that. Your audience will now be able to see your note and interact with it, just like they would with any other platform. Don't forget, notes can spark discussions and engagement, so be prepared to interact with any feedback or responses you might receive. To wrap it all up, using Substack Notes is a fantastic way to broadcast quick updates and insights, complementing your longer posts. Embrace this feature and experiment with it to see how it best fits into your content strategy. With these steps, you're now equipped to make the most of Substack Notes. Happy posting!